So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create one of these for next to nothing. So in terms of what you're going to need to create this device, really simple. All you need is one of these little scrubbing brushes. Make sure you get a circular one that's essentially at right angles to the circle, and also a long bolt and nut. Now you can get a few things to make this job easier. I've got a reciprocal saw here just because I got one. It's going to make it quick. And of course a drill with some drill bits to make the holes. So first step is remove the handle off the brush. I'm just using my reciprocal saw because it's handy, it's easy, it's really quick, but you could use cutters or something. And then you want to find the center, the exact center. And I'm drilling up from the bottom because the way that the bristles were spread out, it had a center point and I could just go straight through it. And then once you've got that pilot hole, you essentially want to find a drill bit that's going to be just a tiny bit bigger, if not the same size as the bolt you're going to put through. So being very careful, keeping my fingers away from here, going nice and slow. We've just created the hole and I'm just boring it out a little bit more to allow that bolt to fit through. So we've got it big enough, the bolt fits through, and next step is just to put the nut on. Now you'll see later in the video here, rookie error, I should have put a lock nut on. So save yourself the time and hassle that it took me to figure out the hard way. Put 2 nuts on, and that way it will keep in the right position, it won't spin off, and it will be all good to go. So I'm pretty happy with it, let's test it out. Alright, we're in the bathroom and Jessica has just done a super clean in here. You can probably see all the froth fall through here. And she'd like me to get into all the cracks with this new gadget we've got happening here to see if it works. Let's give it a shot. First lesson learned, 1 nut only is probably not enough. We're going to need to put a lock nut on it because it spins itself off. So we're going to do that now. Alright, let's see how this plays out. This is going fantastic.